Free Palestine.
I certainly look forward
Free Palestine.
I certainly look
Sanctions now, Taoiseach. Sanctions now, Taoiseach.
In relation to Palestine,
Last hospital evacuated yesterday.
when I was at the
Last hospital.
yeah.
Former Minister for Health. Do you care?
So it's very interesting that when I speak to the Palestinian president, he thanks me and the government and the people of Ireland for the actions that we've taken. When I had the Palestinian ambassador into my office, the first time a Palestinian ambassador had ever been in the Taoiseach's office, she thanks the government and thanks the people of Ireland for the actions that they have taken too. It is really clear though that the world is not doing enough when it comes to Palestine, not nearly enough. I am of the view, as is Ireland, as is Spain, that we should be taking more actions when it comes to the trade agreement. The trade agreement between Israel and the European Union has within it specific human rights clauses, and they should be followed, and indeed I think the trade agreement should be reviewed on that basis.